Welcome to the installation video of the ARIES AdvantEDGE running boards. This video will cover the installation steps needed for all AdvantEDGE running boards. These running boards are available in a carbide black or a chrome powder coat finish. To begin, lay the AdvantEDGE running board onto a flat working surface with a slotted rail facing up. Insert an M8 hex bolt into each of the slots so there are 2 bolts per bracket, one in the front rail and one in the rear. Slide the bolts down the rail into the approximate location of the brackets. Lift the board onto the installed VersaTrack brackets and align the bolts with the slots in the mounting brackets. Secure the board in place with a flat washer, lock washer, and nut at each mounting location. Snug the hardware, but do not fully tighten at this time. With all the hardware attached, adjust the running board into your desired location. Once satisfied, torque all the hardware to the values listed in the supplied instruction sheet. Repeat this entire process on the other side. This completes the installation of the ARIES AdvantEDGE running boards. For more information on this and other great products, visit ariesautomotive.com.